Well, I just wanted to take a shot. You could probably see 6 foot into the water. The clarity, the algae probably died off, and the water's super clear now. Probably the clearest it's been all year, but the water's cold too.
Well, clarity of the water is pretty nice, and reminds me of being out west in Wyoming or Montana. Number one today, supersized right, almost a keeper.
Number 2 today, small keeper, about 12 inches.
Number 3 today, nice keeper. Number 4 is probably a little over 12 inches, keeper. 13 maybe, I don't know.
Number 5, small keeper, about 12 inches. Not very good today. Maybe because it was a wind, a little bit of wind. That I only caught 5 today. Yesterday I did 10, today 5. It's usually the other way around. About a minute, it's time to go.